In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to payroll employee in QuickBooks Online 2026, step by step. We'll start by making sure payroll is turned on in your QuickBooks Online account. From the left menu, open Payroll and choose Employees. If you haven't set it up yet, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to pick a payroll plan that fits your needs, then complete the company tax setup. Have your employer identification number and any required state tax account details ready. You'll also connect the business bank account you'll use for direct deposit. If your bank requires verification, build in a little time for that so your first payroll runs smoothly. Next, let's add an employee. Still under payroll, open employees and click Add an employee. Enter the basics like full name and a work email so they can receive pay notifications. Choose a pay schedule, such as weekly or bi-weekly, and set the pay type to hourly or salary. For direct deposit, enter the employee's routing and account numbers accurately. It helps to double check against a voided check or official bank document. Once everything looks correct, click Save. This ensures the employee is ready to be picked up on the next payroll run under the schedule you selected. Now you're ready to run payroll. Go back to Payroll and select Run Payroll. Pick the appropriate pay schedule for this run. For hourly workers, enter their hours for the period including any approved overtime. For salaried employees, review the salary amount displayed to make sure it matches the pay period. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state taxes, Social Security and Medicare, and any deductions you've set up, so you can focus on verifying the numbers. When you're satisfied, click Preview Payroll to see a clear breakdown of gross pay, taxes, deductions, and net pay for each employee. Before you finalize, review the payroll summary carefully, confirm the pay date shown and the funding account, and scan each employee's net pay and tax amounts. If everything checks out, click Submit Payroll. Employees will be paid via direct deposit on the date indicated, and if auto tax is enabled in your setup, QuickBooks will schedule your payroll taxes automatically in the background. To wrap up, it's good practice to review your payroll records. Head to Reports, then Payroll Reports. The payroll summary gives you totals for each run or period. The Payroll Details Report shows line-by-line pay and tax information by employee, and the Tax Liability Report helps you see what taxes are owed and when. These reports make reconciliation and year-end tasks much easier, and they give you confidence that every payroll is